what is an Amazon brand manager skill scope in the USA. If you want to become an Amazon brand manager, look up which skills they would need. Whenever someone is going to post a job description, what are they looking for? The reason why I'm telling you this is because I'm not sure if you started from the beginning of the episode to watch through, but the junior, intermediate, and advanced level are always there. A brand manager can become a junior manager, which means that you would be handled SOPs to follow through. You're still a brand manager overseeing the totality of how does the brand work. So not only Amazon ads, but creatives, inventory, and so on. If you're an intermediate brand manager, you might need other skills. You might need to look over junior hires, junior employees. You might need to work on SOP, so better the systems, the processes currently in place. Or if you're an advanced, then you might be requested to know how to strategize for the next 3 months, 6 months for the account. So this is why I'm saying it's really important to know the level rather than the role. The role is just overseeing some specific stuff. Clear example for you, and this is also something that I just got clarity not very long ago, and I'm pushing it now through all the departments. Really, all departments have the junior, intermediate, and advanced level. Whenever someone is going to hire you, let's say they are hiring a brand manager, they have specific expectations. They are going to list in the job description. If you're not meeting at least those things, it's going to be risky because they are already expecting you to excel in all those things. I'm highly likely that you're going to be handed multiple other responsibilities that are not within the job description. So be sure to ask exactly what are they looking for and what they are not looking for. It's really frustrating whenever you think that you found a good job and it's like, this is never going to bring me whatever I want to, or the position that I want to have. And you're just like 1 month in, it's like, oh, it's not going to work.